Awesome.
Now we're going to find out if this has to be welded. Uh-huh. Gonna have to weld it to replace it.
What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. We're back over here with Shannon. And as you know, I had a couple of issues with my safety not working, not engaging because the bar was too short. So now we're about to put an enhanced safety on here and try to remedy that. I went on and polished that bolt too.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna need welding.
He was shocked.
Oh, he had no idea, huh?
No, he really didn't. He really didn't. I could tell by how he reacted. I said, and you really can't do anything with it, so I would, you might as well just melt it down.
Bury it.
Drag out the TIG welder. Oh, crap. Let's make it ceramic.
Does it not work, or? Oh. Who wants a free TV?
Let's see if that's tall enough. We'll see.
There we go.
No movement.
All right.
At all.
So that is perfection.
Wow. Trigger didn't reset. For some reason. Oh, too tight to the back. I think whipping off the face.
These are just little things that happen when you're fitting stuff. So
Oh, your trigger spring's off. There we go. Nope, we're good. You just flipped the trigger spring off when it went in.
oh, okay.
How long did it take you to polish the bolt out?
About an hour and a half.
Not too bad.
No, it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, a little too tight. Oh, it's hitting your top cover. No, it goes behind.
Oh, okay. All right, so we have enhanced safety on the Mini now. Enhanced safety on the Mini, and it is working. All right. Thank you, sir. All right. All right, so now we have the safety installed. You've seen the entire process of what he had to do to put it on there. And I like this safety. I mean, it works good. It works real good. So this is the Krebs Customs safety with the bolt hold open on it. And it is one more piece of the puzzle to this build. All right, so we're getting real close to getting where I'm gonna put the foregrip on here. And I guess next what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the test fires on it. Do some test fires, make sure everything is running smoothly. We got the trigger going. So, we also have the video of the trigger installation, the trigger maintenance being done, and there is a video of bolt maintenance showing you how to get your bolt crispy like that. All right, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on, and make sure you hit the notifications so you'll know every time I put out a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.